Hi, this is Selena, and I would like to share with you the tool that I think is very useful for collecting student information and improving student learning, and that is Surveymonkey. And I chose this one because I know a couple universities and some graduate students have used this for data collection, and I also think that it's a very easy to use survey site. I want to talk first about some of the features of Surveymonkey. One, it does have a free version, so you can sign up pretty easily with that. Second, if you go to the home site after you've already made an account, there's a lot of useful support that they offer you on the home page, including this little section that has some little tips and tricks kind of thing, tips for writing a great survey, 5 ways to get more responses, how it works. And then also over here you see this frequently asked questions box, and there's a read more option, but let's just click on one just so you can see, can a survey be saved halfway and finished later? So you go to this and they have a lot of support on here talking about that question. And there's also related frequently asked questions that you can look at. Next, I want to point out to you that the survey is pretty easy to create. You just click the green button. I've already created or started one, so I'm going to click that. And you can see here that there's a lot of different choices for you. In the design options, there's a theme, so you can choose which one you would like to use for your survey. I'm kind of liking the anemone one. Also, the questions are very easy to add. So, for example, if I was using this for my academic reading and writing course, I might ask students about, maybe I would ask them about one of the content to see if they're understanding what I want them to understand about it, or if there's any kind of gaps in their knowledge. So maybe I want to say, which of the following do you think is the most important evidence when supporting your argument? Because we've been working on argumentative essays in the course right now. You can see here some certified questions pop up. That's one of the options that Surveymonkey provides to you in the free version. They have these what they call certified questions that are supposedly written by experts, so they are well-formed questions is what they say. But I don't need those, so I'm going to close it. Then maybe this question has multiple answers, maybe it has one answer, maybe I want them to rank or rate. There's a lot of different choices here. For this one, I'm going to choose only one answer. And maybe my answer choices are personal experience, and it says to enter each choice on a separate line. Maybe research data. Research data is another way they can support an argument. Strong language, or maybe presenting the other side of the argument. And I see I have a misspelling here, so that's nice. It does show you what you've spelled wrong. Another option is to add an other or a comment field, or you can require an answer to this question. I'm going to choose that one for now. And then I don't have any more questions to add right now, so I could choose save and add next question, but for now I'm going to choose save and close. And that's that. I have made the next question. So it's pretty easy to use. I can also move the question anywhere I want. I can add a page to the survey, so if I only want a couple questions per page, that's pretty easy to do as well. This option here is very useful. It's called Preview Survey, and that pulls up a window where you can actually click around on your questions and see how it goes. Next, I want to show you that there's a lot of different options for collecting responses. And if we add collector, you can see you can use a web link. You can choose to send it through email. And I think some of these other ones might be options for the purchased one, but they are there. Also, analyze results is where the results show up, and there's different ways that you can filter and compare. So all in all, has a lot of useful tools, and like I said, pretty intuitive to use. If you want to actually send the survey, you would click the Send Survey button, and it would give you this URL that you could post into a email, or there's also the HTML code that you could put, like if you were using Blackboard. So very easy to get people to find the survey. Getting them to answer is quite a different story. I just want to end this little tutorial or screencast by saying that I would use Surveymonkey for 2 different types of information, I think, as a way to inform student learning. One would be getting their opinions about the course itself. So finding gathering information about if they feel like things are going well, do they feel like they're getting enough feedback, do they feel like different group work is okay, just asking them how things are going. Also, I would use it to ask questions about content. So the one that I gave here about the most important evidence for an argument essay, that would be a way of just kind of getting a general idea of what they're thinking about the different content, and then using those results to see where the course should go from there. I think that was about all I had to say about Surveymonkey. I hope that this kind of helped show you around a little bit, and I look forward to seeing everyone else's.